Okay, it's time to start moving. Let's increase a little the volume of the music, because I can hardly hear it when I upload the videos to YouTube later. So I prefer to decrease the volume of my headset and increase the volume of the streaming platform. So here goes nothing. So right now we are blocked with a strange issue. When we are trying to run Pac-Man, we get weird cases where we are trying to write memory that we should not be writing and that kind of stuff. I have been thinking on how we can debug this, and one of the ideas that I got was trying to print the output of the trace as we was doing with the previous unit test, and once we have that, attempt to I am having trouble thinking. Sorry. Compare with some other source. So what I have been thinking is use our sources, our example sources in here. Like we have the GitHub project of the sample, and see it has many versions of the same code for each chapter, and I can see if we can get the version that has implementation of the tracing and try to trace the Pac-Man log and then use it to fix our implementation. That is my plan. That is the idea that I got. So to do that, let's first clone this repository, or maybe just download it as a zip. Source code examples from the book, source code of the book itself. Okay, here we are. So I will unzip this in this folder. Why I cannot open another window? We'll have to do it like this. Downloads, enter here, and unzip it here. Okay, I want to hide this for a little more privacy. Ignore my unfinished projects, please. Oops. So we have the NES ebook, we have code, and we have sources for many chapters. Let's see which one is the one that has tracing. We can probably see it more clearly from here. The one that makes the tracing is the 5.1 chapter. So let's try that. So we have the NES test and the log, and the source should take care of creating the trace. So if we can make the trace using a different NES file, we should be able to get another log file for Pac-Man. Or at least that is the the intention. So first of all, let's install Rust. Let's hide some stuff. And 64 bits. Yes, keep it. Launch it. Downloading stuff. It looks like you are running on Windows. To start using Rust, download the installer, then run the program and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to install Visual Studio C++ build tools, which I should have. When prompted to do so, if you are not on Windows, see other installation methods. So this should not take long. Famous last word. Okay, so meanwhile this downloads, let's try to see if we can magically find something. And let's start by getting to our unit test and changing it was this one and changing what is the file that is executing. Apparently I have done that. No, I have not. This is the one I want to run, and this is where I want to run it. Okay. So now that I have changed that, I will, for now, change this. Say it always matches. And not compare anything, really. So I will get this print. So I can see what is being printed, what is executing before my error. At least I can know what are the instructions. Instantation failed, and why is that? Unit test run file, it's unit test path, which is this. Oh, there is no .NES anymore, that is why. And log file is null because it doesn't exist. So what I am going to do is go to this path, and open it in, oops, that was not it. I want to show it in File Manager and copy the name and create a log file with the same name. Sure you want to change it? Yes. Now I think there is a mismatch count. And let's comment all of this and just print it for now. So can we see some stuff? Okay, stopping in the same error, and we can see how far we have advanced. We have only 270 lines of code running, and in those lines we have only run through a couple of scan lines, and it is trying to write on the PPU address of the control. What is this trying to print here? I know what happened. Okay, so I am wrong. This is not the last printing. It is just that it has overflown in the text. Can we change that? Print flush standout. I don't see anything that is useful for print. Maybe in the editor settings. Debugger. Nope. Android inspector. Nope. No limit. So we are going to get a way to avoid this overflow. Counter plus equals 1. If counter bigger or equal to, I don't know, 200, counter equals 0, and await get 3. Oh, this is not a node. And shine get main loop process frame. What happens now? Same error, but now we have a little more prints, but we have still got a couple of overflows. So we have to decrease that number to something smaller. And we're still getting overflows, so maybe waiting one frame is not enough. Yes, because this is a limit per second. I see. So I am going to have to set this to 180, but instead of process frame I will have to go create timer of 1.01 seconds and then connect timeout. Let's see what happens now. So yes, Better, better, better. We're more clear on how far we are getting now. It is taking more time because of those pauses that I am setting. It is making 1 second pause for every 180 instructions in the CPU. And this is the same that I want to generate on the Rust implementation. Okay, it seems to be installed now. You need to restart shell, that is fine. Now I can start a shell in this one. But I like bash better. So do I have cargo here? Okay. So how do I start the project? Do I have instructions in README? No. Do I have instructions on the chapter? Apparently not. Okay, let's ask. Learn. Read the book, do the rustling, check the rust by example. And this is about the language. I want to the how to clone. Okay, it's so you clone it and then cargo build for fetching. Could not compile. But is this the name of the project of this file? I am going to open this in VS Code. Come here, sweetheart. So what do we have in this? Yes, it's the name of the project. So we have a log with information of the dependencies, target, the book, samples, build, fingerprint. Okay, this is not important, and we have sources in here. It is the trace class, and I want to check what the hell happened with this compilation. Linking with link.exe failed with exit code. So let's ask Mr. Google. Rust error. Same error. And build tools for Visual Studio. Are you kidding me? Visual Studio installer. Do I not have the build tools? How do I search in here? Build tools, development tools. All of this is .NET-work. C++. Distributable. Clan compilers, Make tools. Modules for build tools. Oh, this is the experimental one. This is for Universal Windows Platform. Okay. 143. This is probably the one I want. So let's try this. Let's take a look of how long it is supposed to take. I wonder, does this have a release page? Releases 0. I wish I would have the executable of it. I would just need to rename Pac-Man to NES to the other file name. Okay, it's not a big download. At least this one. So, how far have we get? Let's change this just a little to not have double lines. Okay, that was a little too much. Maybe 160 to avoid that error that was printed. Finishing up with installation. Okay, we have the session and we have the entire output up to this point. Okay, done with this. Let's try this once more. Okay, same error as before. Let's try restarting the console. And nope, it hasn't worked, so it seems like that is not what we wanted. Are we sure this is the way to fix it? Will tools, nothing. Okay, let's try once again. Modify once more. Do we have something more specific maybe in here? Here are build tools. Awesome. I cannot expand this area. Okay, let's put the modules. Multi-byte character set. And incredible. Windows SDK, individual components. This looks all correct. So what if I search in here with tools? Developer command prompt. What happens if I use this one? Copy. Cargo build. Same error apparently. Exactly same error. So it recommends to restart the computer. That is something I wanted to avoid doing in middle of the stream. Okay, finish it. Let's try once more. Nope, same error. So can we download it as a separate package? Doesn't say a lot. Do we have another answer? Changing the default linker solves the issue. My system is 64-bit, but the linker was pointing to the 32-bit one. So if I do, I close it, this, nothing. Here we come. Which linker.exe There is no linker. And what if I do it from PowerShell? Do I have? Oop. Nothing at all. Well, I can try this, but I am sure it will not work because it's a different error code. Okay. Apparently it's downloading Rust for using a different compiler maybe. Started installing. Okay, done. Now set to default, and now build. Okay. Let's cd source. What? Oh, it's chapter 5.1. Wait, that is not. What is the name? Oh, this is the ebook. It was code, not source. That was dumb. Okay, now seems to be compiling and failed with the same error, but with a different linking error. It's using Mingu now instead of VS Code. So what do we have in Rust C. Host. And the linker command not found. Okay, it cannot find it, doesn't seem to exist. And did someone get something from this? So what if we close and reopen the terminal? Okay, same error. That doesn't sound correct. This is odd. So it doesn't look like it has anything to do. But I don't even have UMI at all. So let's try another. I'm trying to make blah blah blah. What if I make it verbose? Okay. LD cannot find LSDL2. Okay, LD doesn't seem to exist. Yeah. Let's try another terminal. Not that I like this, doing this a lot. Nope. So it did not install the dependencies. Is that it? Stop. Arbos quite help. Update. Okay. Run. To start help, it is the same as before. Cargo init. Okay, it's cargo help. Clean doc new init. Add remove run. Test bench update. Cargo install. Okay. Cargo update. Okay, updated STL2. Cargo build. And you now find STL2. Nope. Doesn't find STL2. But it seems to find LD. So if I ask cargo which this, nope. Stop. Notified. Is this the supposed location? Copy. Paste. Is it here? X8664, and it's indeed not here. And what is in here? Cargo proceed. So I don't see any of both of the linkers. So what is the exit code? Okay, this is a different exit code anyway. So it doesn't work for me. Wait. This is the one I was looking. Cannot find. What if I copy this? So where is the SDL? DLL? Dependencies. SDL2. Samples is empty. Incremental has garbage. This file was text. It has project code. The book build SDL. Build script build.exe. I don't like this. So can we do a cargo clean? Yes. Now cargo build. Loop. Okay, I give up and I am going to try it once again after restarting the computer. So let's do rust up update, and this one I am going to change the default back to MSPC. Okay, just making sure it is using MSPC. Okay, it is the same error actually. I thought it was not finding link.exe, but it is actually doing it, and it even has the path of link.exe in here. Copy and paste. Right. And here is link.exe. So yes, it is found. So the problem is it is not finding sdl2.lib. I get this error when I run cargo build. Same problem. Unresolved since 2017. Windows Mingu, only Mingu. On Windows, make certain you are using Mingu version of SDL. The native version will crash on SDL2 init. Download Mingu development libraries. Unpack a folder of your choosing. You can delete it afterwards. Okay, this is a specific version, so maybe latest version. So which one is latest? This one? Do we have a README? Blah blah blah. Master documentation. It's the same. Requirements. Linux, Homebrew, MacPort, Windows MSPC. Perfect. So we have to download the development libraries. So my playlist finished. Let's find another one. Yes, this one. But where is the download version? It's in here. Level Visual C. Is this what it is asking for? SDL2 level. Yes. This is the one asking for. And then what? The folder of your choosing, you can delete it afterward. Okay, and we just open it. And then say, copy all lib files from this SDL2 lib x64, copy for Rust. What Rust version I am running? .171. Okay, let's see. Program file Rust lib Rust. I don't see it here. Is it in the other program files? Nope. Is it on cargo? Nope. So I think the idea is to put it in app data now in this version. Is it here that there is a .cargo folder? Maybe not. Here is .cargo. Should be here. Doesn't sound like. No, it's not. Because I had a folder. I copied it before. It was in here. This is the path. Wasn't it? No, it's not. Okay. Users Mariano Rustab, not cargo. So where is Rustab? Here it is. Toolchains MSPC, and it's on lib. And here is where it is supposed to be. So can I do it now? Finish it. Okay. Success, finally. So here is target. And here is the file. So I want this NES test, but I don't want quite that. I want this one. Where are you? NES test.NES, and if I run it, this is not good. So maybe I need to copy from here. Rostap, toolchains, MSPC, lib. I copy the SDL2 to here. Does it run now? Oops. Where are you? Did it run or not? Okay, it opened it and closed it immediately. Let's try to run it. Okay. It just breaks in the third instruction. Let's compare to mine. It is not. 4F000 blah 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 1554. So this one is making a break and it's not even taking this. Why is this next instruction? So let's see what is break in my NES CPU. Press break is the NES break. It triggers an interrupt with FFFE. So let's see what is the break stand for in the latest version. So if I look at the CPU, I can search what does break doing here, hopefully, and it simply returns, does nothing. So break is not break is stopping basically. It ends the loop. But that is not happening on Pac-Man, is it? What happens if I build this one? Cargo build. And run it. Yeah, SDL failed, so I have to copy it from here. And again it ended before starting. Panicked that Khaled result unwrap on error value OS code. The system cannot find file specified. I suppose miner is 121.54. And what is that? Where is main? It was 121, right? Oh, it's Pacman.net. It is trying to run Pacman, despite it comes with alter ego. Okay, different error now. Whose backtrace equals 1. Okay, that was not it. Export. Okay, there we go. Panic, PPU mod, boost CPU, PPU 177, not implemented address. This shouldn't be used in reality. So it didn't like the alter ego game. So what if we look for the Pac-Man code? Where are you? Was it you? Okay. This seems to not be Pac-Man. So where do I have Pac-Man? Maybe here. Here it is. And this was pacman.net. Damn, this one works. Better than expected, actually. Okay, so this code seems to work. And as we was saying, the NES break just returns. So how does that work? Does it have a different starting memory? So where is main? What does main do? Read this bin state. Okay, here is main. Tile viewer, position centered, build, unwrap. Set the scale, create texture target, bytes ROM, creates a new frame, renders, update the texture, copy, present. So it creates a new boss. And creates a new CPU from the boss and calls reset and then run. So what is reset? Reset, load and run. CPU flags. Do we have the same CPU flags? Yes, 100, 100. And the memory is set to FFFC. So this is wrong. This should not be happening on the NES CPU. I suppose this should be only happening in this one. So what happens now? Now it seems to run, and it's running with Pac-Man. So let's go back to our render test and launch it, and same error as before. Oh. Right. This is failing, but where is it starting? It is still starting in the wrong position. That is why it's failing. So what I am going to do, in this one, is comment this line so I can compare a little better. So now it started in a very different position. That was also not intended. So what the hell is going on? Let's go to ready. Let's see. So we have a CPU. CPU has a program counter, which is on 0 right now. After reset, program counter is on. T033, but that should not be the value according to this. It should be FFFC. So why is it setting that value? When is that happening? Let's relaunch, advanced, step into. Okay, we're reading the memory, not setting the memory. And this is correct? No, we are supposed to read the memory. So that was correct. So maybe I was wrong at thinking it was incorrect. So first thing it tries to do is write into address. That is not the address. 8192 2000. And why is that? It first loads X, and the second instruction oh, I see. So this is what is trying to read the memory. Let's see what happens now. Okay, it just starts. Okay, it is setting 0. Do we end up in an error eventually? Okay. In this case, it's trying to read directly from the opcode. But how long have it advanced? So we can see in here I want to see the NES CPU. How many instructions have it executed? Is this the memory? So I want to see the ROM. Sorry, the CPU. 16,000. So I will go to the unit test. once again and see what the hell is happening. If line is bigger or equal to this number, no, it's actually less, then it is going to print. Choose to not print everything, so I can comment this await. Here we go. That? What? That did not go as I expected. Okay. So what is the difference? Why is it failing when running from here, but not failing when running from here? What is the difference? Do we have a different initialization maybe? So what is ready in here? It resets, connects, maybe this? Doesn't make much sense, does it? It calls run. This one is setting up the texture. Okay, same as before, not making any difference. So what is different about you? So this is, let's see, what was the instruction number that was failing? It was 16353. Copy it to have a reminder, and we're launching it from here. Pause. If I look at 16353, see, it was loading the contents of 2002, not 2000. And 2002 is, let's see, what register? The status register. So there is something happening before that point. So let's check if we can see some lines before. Where are you, print condition? Is this enough? It is constantly reading the input over and over and over. What was this? Branch positive? And what was status? I am curious, what was the meaning of status? Okay, it had a vertical blank. I see. So it's basically waiting for vertical blank. Okay. So I have to go a little behind. Maybe like this, and uncomment this await. Or maybe this one doesn't know offline. So what do we have? Too much text. That is what we have. But in any case, whatever is happening before 15,000. So let's try 14. Wow, it's even happening before. Let's make it a 10. And this one, let's change it to 100. It's still having an output overflow. Okay, it's even before 10,000. Could it be 6,000? And let's go smaller, 8,000. By 8,000 it is already listening to this loop. So what was the size? 8,266. Because it's almost reading to the B blank here. Just 61 was the B blank. Nope. Still continues to poll the event. So what is going on? So do I have this class? Trace. And copy path. Let's go to the other one. Const unit test from unit test equals preload this path and then in here on function about, what was it, the name, about to execute the instruction. Copy this. So in theory we don't need this, but we want to so I want to copy the trace function. And I'll the dump. Copy from here. And instead of emit, I will just print. Or better yet, trace.pushback. Okay, wrong. So now, this is the ROM, this is the CPU, and now I should have a trace, which of course is empty. I want to call super. Why is it still no? Is this being called? Apparently yes. Wait. Oh, the line. Okay. And what is trace? Okay, now I have a trace. Interesting. Okay, dump disassemble is the one. Aha! Well, that did not happen in the other execution with this jump. So question, why does this show no? So what happened? Why is trace becoming empty? Okay, just array. Are you happy now? Can I now see trace? Okay, RTI, RTI, RTI. And the line is... Wait a second, where is the line? Okay. It's too big. Okay, now I can see it. This is not good. So it's been doing exactly the same since the start. It's frozen in a CRC forever. C17E, C17E, C17E. It is starting there. And what about this? Actually, I have to go here and remove some values. Like this one goes away, and this one goes away. And relaunch. And it is supposed to start with C033. So why is it different? Retro console, emulator. So this is the one that apparently starts good. Famous last words. We cannot confirm that either. Let's search some more music. So at the start, it starts with the program counter, and for it now it's 2003. C033. So let's save this. And let's stop and see in the other side. We have a reset. No, we don't. So we have don't tell me this is the reason why it never worked. Okay, this is not doing anything. But at least it is not crashing. Okay, let's start reverting stuff that we don't want. Git status. Git checkout. So let's keep this commented. I want this. So this is from the NES CPU. So this is something I don't want. Indeed, yes. All of this has to go away. This not. This yes. I will not reset this yet. Yes. 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 And yes. Yes. Okay. Let's take a look now. So it is not generating interrupt. Is that also the case? What happens in here, in this chapter? Sorry, it was 6-4, not 5-1. So load and run is still pointing to the wrong memory. That is not nice. So what did I want to check? It was yes, get rid of this. Yes, so what is the condition to render? So in main, render update copy boost new. It's calling render frame mode palette. This is the mode and it's calling render. And it's the function passed to the new boost. So what is boost of new? Game loop callback, and how is it used? New frame equals tick. So PPU is going to return true or false. I see. So the interrupt is to update. CPU mode. And where is tick? So every time that it goes over 262, it is going to update the screen. So we have the NES CPU and we have tick, and it is already returning the boolean, so we have to check the NES memory in the tick function. So if tick, then it was in memory, sorry, in boost. Let's create a function advanced frame. in the render test, in texture setup, so setup now is going to take the NES memory. And the CPU okay, now at least we have a blank screen. Are we rendering? Sorry, wrong. Okay, continue. Okay. So if I enter, it is setting script to true. And rendering. It is going to create a timeout. And what is the value of far? Where are you, constant? 0.02. So we are at least not crashing anymore. So let's see, what instructions are we running now? Can we try that? Can we try doing that again? Let's copy this. To the render test. But now still one at a time. This one is dangerous. No, it should be fine. It should not try to read. Should not try to locate the program counter in an invalid location. What? Okay, this. Can you close? Okay. So now the disassemble. I want to make the disassemble more simple to avoid accessing memory. Actually, do I need to disassemble? I suppose yes. Yes, I need it. Let's remove this tree. Get operand address. So what are the invalid values? These ones. Okay. Now I can keep using this. I will search. There are two matches. So this one is going to be 0. Oh. Let's see what happens now. Okay, still running. That is normal because I never made it print. Oh, what is the name of the function? This one. So it is starting at the wrong location now, once again. Now it's starting at 8000. And why is that? So let's put a breakpoint, and start, and enter. and it is reading the memory from FFFC. View program counter, and I suppose this value is 8000. Yes, but did I change? Oh, I am reading alter ego now, that is why. So if I change that once again to Pac-Man, moving on. Okay. Did I start in the right location now? 03. It's starting in the value of this is what? And let's give it a let's call it FIFO. For getting a better description and differentiate. Okay, yes, indeed it was meant to be FIFO because we cannot read the real value. So I can make a NES memory memory type. So I make the same. But I remove the assertions. So for this one, I'm going to return CPU dot register control dot value for 2001. It was, which one was it? I don't remember anymore. Mask, register mask. Turn CPU dot register mask dot value. 2003. This return view, and 2003 is blah 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 OAM address. Okay, apparently I can safely read it. Perfect. 2005 is scroll. Uh, 2006 is status. Okay. No observers. And let's see what happens now. Wait, I need to call memory save. How does it go now? Okay. It seems to be trapped in a loop. Oh, question. What are we doing wrong? It makes more than just rendering. It was a main. It does update of the texture. Copy, present. Okay, this doesn't really matter. Okay, so there is trace. So if I go to run, run with callback, callback serve, if I do the trace, is this the syntax for tracing? I think so. So can I come here and doing cargo build? Look, missing F. Okay, could not compile. Undeclared trace, so I have to import it. Use create trace like this, maybe. Okay, finish it building. Can I now come here? Not to this one, to this one. To 6.4. To the book screen. And run Pacman with trace. And what happened? It has nothing. And what does trace return? It returns a string, so I have to print it. Or store it into a file. How do I print? Can I do it like this? Oh wait, I need to rebuild it first. Doesn't seem to have done anything. Rust print to console. print line. Yes. How can I now quit this? Now run it. Doesn't seem to be doing anything honestly. Error could not compile. Why did it not error before? Oh, did not save. Okay, now it will. Okay, now it's printing. I think I did something stupid. So now I can get rid of it. Who are you? Nope. And this one is on. This one probably. Perfect. So this is not the folder, this is the folder, and I want to run. Sorry. And I want to dump it to this file. Oh, okay. Did something wrong. Let me show you. I thought I removed this. Okay, but as you can see, it is starting the same way. But now it is not working as I intended. What was I doing? Yes. So I needed to save before rebuilding. And now running. Closing. And now let's see my file. Okay, it is still not working. Is it appending at the end? Okay, it's appending at the end. That is why. Can I fix that by changing this to this? Okay. Let's see. Okay, that is fixed now. And what is going on here? I see it doesn't have the cycle spot, but it is doing exactly the same. It's like stall forever. Did I change something? I don't think I did. Why is it not working anymore? It did work the last time. So if I comment this line, and only doing that change, will this work now? Incredibly, yes. By the simple fact of commenting that line, it now works. What does that mean? Is Trace breaking some expectation? Does that mean that I can get rid of Trace and get it working? Doesn't seem to be working. So what if I change the memory await? It was on memory, right? No, it was on the CPU. So instead of this, I do this. Okay, that is not doing anything. What was sleeping for? I see. What if I change it to this and put some different time? Why is it never updating? Okay. Mm-hmm. We will redraw. Okay, now we have no errors. And what if I resurrect trace? What? Index out of bounds. And where is that coming from? It only happens if I do this. What if I do this? Okay. I am kinda lost once again. I don't know why jumping, why running this script is a problem in the main thread. Because I have await functions happening. So now it is never exiting from ROM. And why is that happening? I do have how to execute. I enter. Okay, it is never ending. Or I did not change. No, I did change it. So what is going on? Before, after, before, after, before, after. until eventually before, await, after. It is not awaiting. I see. So it's await super. So stop. And what are we getting now? The run. Okay, now we have before and after. And time is advancing. So now if I change this for this, it is not doing much yet. But what if I enable the print now? Do I get something different?
There is a huge opportunity to build a distributed energy utility. You know, I've mentioned this to you before.
Nobody asked you? So it is still looping in that place. So what happens here? Exactly the same apparently. What am I doing wrong? What if I remove this? Memory save, just in case. The print, resurrect the print. Still locked the same memories? Yes. So if I do read, zero. Okay, now it works. And what do we have in our output file? So it does do the pooling. The eternal pooling until this line number is 16351. That is an interesting number. So if I come here and say if instruction count bigger than stack 16 340 and print, what will happen? And I also want to print this. Yeah, also I want a base. In 353. The change happened in 16343, but not in my case. I wonder what caused the change. VA processor was 26. But if I dump the registers, that should be safe. Oh, I never copied those functions. Here they are. Okay. And if I remove that condition for printing, it was in this file. Does it start in? It starts in 0. This one starts in 1. Okay. Let's do this plus 1. have a better match. So let's see. We have a scan line here.
You just got owned, 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 owned. Got owned, owned. Blah, 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 blah. You just got owned.
Can I go to line? No. Okay.
You just got owned, 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 owned. Got owned, owned. Blah, 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 blah. You just got owned. Got owned. Owned. Got owned. You just got pwned.
When I 30. Not even close. LDA, then LDA 80. Okay, so we have done invisible progress. We can at least now see the contents of the screen. We have no warranty that this is working the way it is intended, but we can at least compare it to what the Rust emulator from the tutorial is generating. It looks very similar in a lot of cases. It looks like it does a lot of idling, but we need more information to what is not matching. So I have a couple of ideas to find out what is not matching, but we are going to start for the next stream. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time.